So kung game activities nila, first station, balance beam, followed by crawling under the net, second station. Then meron tayong lagay na sakod dyan, dalawa. Tapos dito naman hula hoop. Yan, pump station yan. So followed by sa fifth station, yan dyan, jump and jump frog content. Station yan, Adel, followed by the 7th station, yung tire. So ganun lang kadali ang gagawin nila. So I need 7 players. So yan yung tinatawag na obstacle course naman. So nakakaramdam na ako ng gutom.
Tara guys, kain tayo. Nananginig na ako sa gutom. Sinat ko muna yung mga game activities namin para tuloy-tuloy mamaya.
So our lunch for today, ito sinabi na sa atin, good job with sinigang. Alright, thank you po.